Hey guys, in today's video, we will discuss the best 6 products and what you should look out for before purchasing a new one. We have ranked the products according to their performance, price, durability, and more. Please head forward to the description to know more about it and its latest pricing if you want to know more. Kodak FunSaver. Kodak has been a market leader in the photographic industry for more than a century, so it's not surprising that they know how to appeal to the mass market's requirements for disposable cameras. This camera is a crowd pleaser with its compact shape, curved body, and iconic Kodak color scheme. The flash becomes charged when the button on the front of the camera is held, and the flash fires when the shutter is pressed. The maximum range of any disposable camera's flash is approximately 4 meters, so keep within that distance for a well-exposed photo. The main advantage of this disposable camera is its 800 ISO film. When the subject is slightly beyond the reach of the flash, the greater sensitivity of this type of film helps to avoid underexposed shots. The 800 speed film handles low-light situations better than cameras filled with lower-speed film. It's a good all-rounder for parties and for capturing memories of travel adventures. Kodak FunSaver, 35mm single-use camera with 27 exposures loaded and ISO 800. FunSaver comes with built-in flash, which is good from about 1.5mm to 3.5mm, even though they have plastic lens color, and contrast is pretty good. FunSaver single-use camera does not require any loading. It is the ultimate choice for one-time use. It can be even used both indoor and outdoor, which offers superb clarity. Fujifilm Quicksnap. Flash 400. At 2 for the cost of one typical single-use camera, Fujifilm's disposable model takes decent pictures for a price that's low enough to justify picking up a few more. Although the photos don't blow up the best, its prints work best in their standard 4x 6-inch size, and overcast weather is this camera's natural enemy. Sharp pictures can be captured in sunny conditions. Plus, the camera is easy to use so the whole family can get in the photo taking. A 10-foot built-in flash does a modest job of illuminating indoor scenes, and there are plenty of opportunities to get the right shot with 27 exposures. The built-in flash has a reach of 10 feet, giving you an excellent ranges for nighttime shooting. It's very bright at close ranges, but it means you can take color shot after dark. You can party through the night with the disposable camera. Alternatively, you can use the small fixed apertures and single fixed shutter speeds camera in mainly in bright light outdoor. While it may not be sophisticated, it served the purposes for which it was created. Kodak Flash. The Kodak HD Power Flash. One-time, use 35mm disposable camera is a reliable and convenient option for capturing high-quality photographs. Its 27 exposures provide ample opportunities to capture your favorite moments with clarity and precision. Featuring a built-in flash, this disposable camera ensures well-lit images even in low-light conditions, allowing you to take stunning photos indoors and outdoors. The flash has enough power to illuminate subjects within a reasonable distance, enhancing the overall quality of your pictures. The 35mm film format offers excellent color reproduction and sharpness, resulting in vivid and detailed images. The camera's lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry and uses, making it a suitable choice for travel, parties, and other events. With the Kodak HD Power Flash, one-time, use 35mm disposable camera, you don't have to worry about batteries or complex settings. Simply point, shoot, and let camera do the rest. Its user-friendly nature makes it perfect for both amateur and experienced photographers who want a hassle-free shooting experience. Preserve your memories in a tangible way with this reliable and affordable disposable. AgfaPhoto LeBox 400. If you're getting a disposable camera, you don't want to spend a ton of money. And with the AgfaPhoto 601020, you don't have to. It's an affordably priced disposable camera with a decent ISO and a bright flash to help you capture decent images. It's also extremely lightweight, making it easy to take from place to place. However, it's not the most durable option, so if you aren't not careful, you can also end up damaging the camera before you get a chance to finish using it. Finally, while no disposable camera produces the finest quality images out there, the AgfaPhoto 601010 is a step below what most disposable cameras offer. But at this price point, it's still the best disposable camera for the money. Although it's built from plastic entirely, all the parts are joined well, and deliver confidence to the users. It also boasts an inbuilt flash that will help you take clearer pictures in dark areas. Apart from that, if we speak about the other features, the camera offers up to 27 exposures and features a dedicated button to turn on/off the flash. Moreover, the flash is extremely bright and has a range of 1.2 meters to 4 meters, which is quite good. On top of that, the focusing range of the camera is about 1 meter to infinity, which means you can take crisp pictures of any object if you stand 1 meter away from it. Kodak Tri-X 400TX. Capture stunning black and white photographs with the Kodak Tri-X 400TX professional film. This pack includes 5 rolls of high-quality 35mm film, perfect for both amateur and professional photographers seeking exceptional results. The Tri-X 400TX film is renowned for its fine-grained structure, allowing for superb detail and sharpness in every shot. With its versatile ISO 400 rating, this film performs exceptionally well in various lighting conditions, making it suitable for various photographic applications. Designed for professional use, this film offers excellent exposure latitude, allowing for both high contrast and low-light situations. Its wide dynamic range ensures that you get excellent tonal reproduction, delivering rich blacks and smooth, detailed grays. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or street photography, the Kodak Tri-X 400TX professional film delivers outstanding results with its classic black and white aesthetic. Rediscover the art of film photography and create timeless images with this pack of 5 rolls. Kodak Sport. Ideal for shot by the beach and at shallow depth in the pool, the waterproof Kodak Sport underwater cameras is a hard-wearing piece of kit. It has chunky control button and comes in a plastic case, making it perfect for use by kids. It's best used in daylights and outdoors as there's no flashes. When shooting underwater, it performs well when the water is clear and bright. This model is not suitable for diving. It can rather be hard to get your hand on this specific models as it often gets sold out, so in good alternatives to bear in mind is the AgfaPhoto LeBox Oceans 400 Disposables. It's waterproof down to 15 but as it lacks a flash, we wouldn't recommend it for any serious diving. For shallower depths and shots around the pool, however, it's ideal and a great choice should you be looking for something a little more rugged. Loaded with Kodak Ultramax 800 film for clearer pictures beneath the waves, we'd otherwise advise outdoor and daylight use only. With a sunscreen and scratch-resistant lens, the film sits within a durable and shock-proof shell. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and please hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.